Your first question is Constituent Assembly was Congress and Congress was India. Who said this? Your options are A. Austin, B. C.R. Attlee, C. Winston Churchill, or D. Lord Mountbatten. Right answer is A. Austin. Your question is in their nationalist reaction, the founding fathers of Indian Constitution tended to minimize the importance of minority interests and emotions. This view is credited to your options are A. Morris Jones, B. Hartgrave Jr., C. Alexandrovitz, or D. Ivor Jennings. Right answer is D. Ivor Jennings. Your question is who was the president of the Indian National Congress at the time of partition of India? Your options are A. J.B. Kripalani, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, D. C. Rajgopalachari, or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is A. J.B. Kripalani. Your question is consider the following statements and choose the correct answer by using the codes given below. Assertion A. India is a democratic country. Reason R. India has a constitution of its own. Code. Your options are A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. Or D. Both A and R are false. Right answer is B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Your question is who amongst the following advised that the Indian National Congress should be disbanded as a political party after the independence of India? Your options are A. C. Rajgopalachari, B. J. Prakash Narayan, C. Acharya Kripalani, or D. Mahatma Gandhi. Right answer is D. Mahatma Gandhi. Your question is the Constitution of India was adopted on which date? Your options are A. 26 January 1950, B. 26 November 1949, C. 26 January 1949, or D. 15 July 1947. Right answer is B. 26 November 1949. Your question is who was the chairman of the National Flag Committee? Your options are A. C. Rajgopalachari, B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C. J.B. Kripalani, or D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Right answer is B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Your question is consider the following statements. First, the design of the national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on 22nd July 1947. Second, the wheel in national flag has 21 spokes. Third, the ratio of the width of the national flag to its length is 3:4. Which of the above statements is or are correct? A. 1 and 2, B. 1 only, C. 2 and 3, or D. 2 only. Right answer is B. 1 only. First, the design of the national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on 22nd July 1947. Your question is when did the Constituent Assembly adopt the national flag? Your options are A. 22nd July 1947, B. 23rd July 1947, C. 25th July 1947, or D. 15th August 1947. Right answer is A. 22nd July 1947. Your question is the Constitution of India was adopted and enacted on. Your options are A. 26 January 1950, B. 11 February 1948, C. 26 November 1949, or D. None of the above dates. Right answer is C. 26 November 1949. Your question is Indian Constitution was adopted by. Your options are A. Constituent Assembly, B. British Parliament, C. Governor General, or D. Indian Parliament. Right answer is A. Constituent Assembly. Your question is year of birth and death of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Your options are A. 1886 1951, B. 1891 1956, C. 1877 1961, or D. 1889 1961. Right answer is B. 1891 1956. Your question is here are two statements. Statement A. The Constitution of India provides for all necessities of the country. Reason R. It is known or called as adopted constitution. In relation to aforesaid, which one is true? A and R both are true and R is correct explanation of A. B. A and R both are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is wrong. Or D. A is wrong but R is true. Right answer is B. A and R both are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Your question is in which year was Jan Gan Man adopted as the national anthem of India? Your options are A. 1948, B. 1949, C. 1950 or D. 1951. Right answer is C. 1950. Your question is, the states and the central government derive power from. Your options are A. the Constitution of India, B. the President of India, C. the Prime Minister of India or D. the Parliament of India. Right answer is A. the Constitution of India. Your question is, deferment of adult franchise for 15 years was advocated in Constituent Assembly by. Your options are A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Maulana Azad or D. Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Right answer is C. Maulana Azad. Your question is, how many women members were there in the Indian Constituent Assembly? Your options are A. 15, B. 13, C. 12 or D. 10. Right answer is A. 15. Your question is, B. R. Ambedkar was elected to the Constituent Assembly from. Your options are A. West Bengal, B. Bombay Presidency, C. Middle India or D. Punjab. Right answer is B. Bombay Presidency. Your question is, the Constitution of India came into force on. Your options are A. 26 January 1950, B. 23 January 1950, C. 15 August 1947 or D. 26 December 1949. Right answer is A. 26 January 1950. Your question is, who speaks of India's self-reliant social system? The rural system in India is a tiny republic. Your options are A. Charles Metcalfe, B. Burke, C. Mill or D. Cunningham. Right answer is A. Charles Metcalfe. Your question is, who was the constitutional advisor at the time of the formation of the Constitution? Your options are A. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar, B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C. B. N. Rao or D. K. M. Munshi. Right answer is C. B. N. Rao. Your question is, who amongst the following was not a member of the drafting committee of the Constitution? Your options are A. Muhammad Sadullah, B. K. M. Munshi, C. A. K. Iyer or D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Right answer is D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Your question is, who said India is a quasi-federal state? Your options are A. Lord Bryce, B. Ivor Jennings, C. H. J. Lusky or D. K.C. Ware. Right answer is D. K.C. Ware. Your question is, the Constituent Assembly set up a drafting committee under the chairmanship of Dr. B. R. Ambedkar on. Your options are A. 13 December 1946, B. 22nd January 1947, C. 3rd June 1947 or D. 29th August 1947. Right answer is D. 29th August 1947. Your question is, who was the chairman of Advisory Committee on Fundamental Rights and Minorities constituted by the Constituent Assembly? Your options are A. Pandit Nehru, B. Sardar Patel, C. B. N. Rao or D. Ambedkar. Right answer is B. Sardar Patel. Your question is, who among the following were the members of the drafting committee of the Constitution? First, N. Gopalaswamy, second, Jawaharlal Nehru, third, Aladi Krishna Swamy Iyer or D. Sardar Patel. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Code A. 1, 3 and 4, B. 1 and 4, C. 1 and 3 or D. 2, 3 and 4. Right answer is 1 and 3. First, N. Gopalaswamy and third, Aladi Krishna Swamy Iyer. Your question is, who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? Your options are A. Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar, B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C. Sachidanand Sinha or D. C. Rajgopalachari. Right answer is A. Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Your question is, who in the beginning presented the idea of Indian Constituent Assembly in pre-independence days? Your options are A. M. N. Roy, B. B. R. Ambedkar, C. Annie Besant or D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Right answer is A. M. N. Roy. Your question is, the Constitution of India was enacted on 26 November 1949 by the. Your options are A. Constituent Assembly, B. Governor General of India, C. Parliament of India or D. British Parliament. Right answer is A. Constituent Assembly. Your question is, the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly under Dr. B. R. Ambedkar had how many other members? Your options are A. 7, B. 6, C. 5 or D. 4. Right answer is B. 6. Your question is, Constitution Day of India is celebrated on. Your options are A. 26th October, B. 26th November, C. 26th January, D. 15th August or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is B. 26th November. Your question is, in relation to formation of the Constitution of India, which one of the following sentences is or are correct? First, resolution of objectives by Nehru affected the making of the Constitution. Second, preamble fulfills various important objectives or aims. Third, peoples of India ordered or directed the Constitution. Or fourth, head of the state is elected by the people directly. Code A. 1, 2 and 3, B. 1, 3 and 4, C. 2, 3 and 4 or D. All of the above. Right answer is A. 1, 2 and 3. First, resolution of objectives by Nehru affected the making of the constitution. Second, preamble fulfills various important objectives or aims. Third, peoples of India ordered or directed the constitution. Your question is, who proposed the preamble before the drafting committee of the constitution? Your options are A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. B.R. Ambedkar, C. B.N. Rao or D. Mahatma Gandhi. Right answer is A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Your question is, Constituent Assembly of India was established on. Your options are A. 10 June 1946, B. 9 December 1946, C. 26 November 1949 or D. 26 December 1949. Right answer is B. 9 December 1946. Your question is, how much time the Constituent Assembly took to frame the Constitution of India? Your options are A. 2 years 11 months 18 days, B. 2 years 7 months 23 days, C. 3 years 4 months 14 days or D. 3 years 11 months or 5 days. Right answer is A. 2 years 11 months and 18 days. Your question is, the resolution for giving a constitution to India was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on. Your options are A. 22 January 1946, B. 22 January 1947, C. 20 February 1947 or D. 26 July 1946. Right answer is B. 22 January 1947. Your question is, the first session of Constituent Assembly was held on. Your options are A. 9th December 1946, B. 15th August 1947, C. 26th November 1949 or D. 26 January 1946 or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is A. 9th December 1946. Your question is, who of the following presented the objectives resolution? Your options are A. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, B. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad or D. Dr. C.D. Deshmukh. Right answer is B. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Your question is, when was the Constituent Assembly established? Your options are A. December 1946, B. December 1948, C. November 1950 or D. December 1951. Right answer is A. December 1946. Your question is, who among the following was the chairman of the Union Constitution Committee of the Constituent Assembly? Your options are A. B.R. Ambedkar, B. J.B. Kripalani, C. Jawaharlal Nehru or D. Alhadi Krishna Swamy Iyer. Right answer is C. Jawaharlal Nehru. Your question is, when was the first session of the Constituent Assembly held? Your options are A. 10 June 1946, B. 9 December 1946, C. 19 November 1947 or D. 30 June 1949. Right answer is B. 9 December 1946. Your question is, who was the chairman of the Provincial Constitution Committee of the Constituent Assembly? Your options are A. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, B. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad or D. Sardar Patel. Right answer is D. Sardar Patel. Your question is, when did the Indian Constituent Assembly meet for the first time? Your options are A. 26 January 1950, B. 15 August 1947, C. 9 December 1946 or D. 19 November 1949. Right answer is C. 9 December 1946. Your question is, how many sessions of the Indian Constituent Assembly were conducted for the formulation of Indian Constitution? Your options are A. 7, B. 9, C. 12 or D. 15. Right answer is C. 12.